Brown stew goldfish just done. Yeah, man. Now see that's how we do it, eh? Brown stew. Brown stew. Gonna eat this with some dumpling, yam, banana, sweet potato. All of these good stuff. See it there? It's all done. Brown stew goldfish. That's it. That's the way we do it. So people, please, I'm asking you to go subscribe to my channel, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna bring some different content and all of these stuff, yeah? Just subscribe to my channel, Daddy Major, and then you see everything that I'm posting. So that's it. Brown stew goldfish with yam, banana, and dumpling.